Welcome. Find somewhere comfortable to sit and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in and then out. Exhale all your worries. Inhale beauty and wonder. Imagine that you are standing on the edge of a beautiful hidden valley bathed in moonlight. Below you, luminous flowers bloom. A butterfly emerges, its wings shimmering with an otherworldly glow. It dances around you. It flits and dances before you. You watch it a moment. Extending your hand so that the butterfly can land on it. Its wings flap back and forth, weaving beautiful patterns of light, shimmering, moving, its energy shifting and uplifting. Cool light engulfs you. A shimmering moonlight path now winds its way through a magical, fantastic forest. Trees with iridescent leaves shift gently in the night breeze. Thousands of tiny mushrooms glow, bathed in the moonlight. The butterfly flits to and fro before you as if beckoning you to follow it. You start to walk and follow it along the valley. You follow the butterfly along the path, taking all the magical, wondrous sights. Tiny iridescent butterflies and insects flow past. Unusual glowing plants line your path, and the trees stretch outward, upwards, each side of the valley. The valley opens into a beautiful clearing. With each beat of the butterfly's wings, its magic ripples extending over the whole valley, your body becomes more and more relaxed, and you feel calmer and calmer. A sense of inner peace shifts over you. The butterfly dips its head slightly, and the shimmering ball of light detaches, landing on your chest. Its pulsating warmth fills you with energy. You realize the ball of energy is a key to unlocking your inner magic and strength, and the ability to see the magic and wonder around you. You accept the butterfly's gift with humility and awe, and take a moment to appreciate its magical effects on you. The butterfly flies away, fading into darkness, leaving you bathed in the magical moonlight. Take a moment to truly appreciate the experience. You can carry the butterfly's gift with you for all time. The spark of magic and wonder awakened within you, and the ability to perceive the unseen, the courage, and to explore your hidden potential. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment and open your eyes when ready. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I hope you enjoyed it and found it a positive experience. Feel free to share in the comments below any feelings you may have had. Have a great day.